Hi guys, today I am here to show you this new custom built V-hull, carbon fiber, 86 centimeter the V-hull, 96 with the rudder. Full custom graphic design, configuration, hardware, everything. We have 3S motors 4076 2000 kV version 2, the new one. Then we have a Hobbywing 180 ampere SeaKing V3. Let's start to see the extra water pickup that I did under the hull. So 2 extra water pickup under the hull, the flat one, 2 in the rudder, then we have a silicone tube to lubricate the shaft. And let's have a look inside now. This is the cooling system, 2 water pickup under the hull and 2, like we said before, in the rudder. Then we have a waterproof receiver. Also there is a propeller shaft cooling system, water cooling system. So we have ESC motor and shaft water cooled. This is the foam just in case for safety, to make the boat floating, anything happen. And for today is everything, guys. Thank you very much for watching.